Good evening, one and all. The purpose of this life. Good evening, one and all. வணக்கம் அனைவருக்கும். ஏற்கனவே நான் நிறைய தடவை சொல்லியிருக்கேன். வளவளான்னு எழுதுறது, வளவளான்னு பேசுறதெல்லாம் எனக்கு பிடிக்காத ஒரு விஷயம். அது நான் செய்யறதில்ல. அதாவது வளவளான்னு பேசுறது, வளவளான்னு எழுதுறது எனக்கு பிடிக்காது. Because in social media, most of the people are using social network for their time pass and their fun, enjoyment, and entertainment. But we Indians are, using it for our own purpose and our own reasons. And some may using it for business purpose, and some may using it for the fun and entertainment. Some may using for time pass. Some really would like to have a gossip to know about someone's life, and someone very serious to always talk about, debate about some topic, some subject which is happening around the society. So I use the purpose is yes, for all purpose I use. I use for time pass, I use for networking, and I use for friendship, I use for information sharing. Most of the time I use for information sharing, which I really like it. That information sharing is also what I like. It always on my subject. It is always on my favorites. My favorite subject is always psychology, physiology, mentoring, and always I'm concerned about society, and particularly in our society the direction which taught by our 75 years of our independent, and our leaders, especially the political leaders, even religious leaders or business leaders, everyone made the teaching for their comforts and their convenience and for their self purpose. So this society after independence, it's made up of this society after independence made up of completely on the self centric and selfish nature for someone's self benefit, be it a business leader, be it a political leader, or be it a religious. They made and they designed it for their self centric and selfishness. That is why what happened, our society is moved the direction of completely on selfishness, and everything is right. That too, this millennium children, if you really interact with them, and they are very easy and simple going, and they are very, very selfish. Because of that 20, 30 years of transformation of the millennium children, we seeded in our 70s and 60s, and that seed has become a big tree. So the harvesting time was in the millennium time. Being a therapist, consultant and coaching and counselor, so on and so forth, today I taken the topic of you know affirmation. What is affirmation, and why affirmation is needed, and what is the strength of affirmation? The correct meaning of affirmation is confirmation. Correct meaning of affirmation is confirmation. I herewith confirm, I do, I am confirming. உறுதிப்படுத்துதல், தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா உறுதிப்படுத்துதல். நான் பேசக்கூடிய ஒரு வார்த்தையை உறுதிப்படுத்துகிறேன். அந்த உறுதிப்படுத்தும் வார்த்தை எப்படி இருக்கணும்? See, when you are confirming, when you are really confirming, and when you are meaning and mean it, and I do, It means what? The moment you put a confirmation, I do, when you are committing that confirmation, seriously, you are working on that. When you are started working on this, you started practicing on that. Once you start practicing on that, affirmation, what happen? It become reality. It become, success. So the moment you are continuously doing, it mean you are practicing. For what you are practicing? You are practicing it for your success. So affirmation is nothing but confirmation. And thank you, Mr. Murugan Nandam Ramakrishnan, watching my video and giving your comment. And I'm reading your comment. Having confident and being the confident is the first step to personality development. Of course, really fantastic. Yes, Mr. Muruganandan Ramakrishnan. The affirmation is nothing but a confirmation. I do. Whenever you go for some assembly, when they you make a oath, and finally you make a statement that I do. So you are practicing that affirmation. So how you have to put affirmation? Affirmation is nothing but a positive direction and positive notes. So the positive communication, positive talking, and it is motivation. The other way of affirmations are you are motivating self motivation, and when we are communicating, when you are talking, you are when others, it is a positive confirmation. It is very very motivation and very very encouraging, very supportive. So for that reason, affirmation is very powerful and it is very very useful for that. Okay, how you have to put a affirmation? Because when you think about and practice about and talk about communicate about affirmations are definitely you have to make very very confident, very confident and very bold, because you are going to commit. Since you are going to commit, you have to recheck and verify that within yourself. Definitely, are you going to practice? Will I am going to practice? It is very simple for me. Whether I can practice, it is possible for me. There are all the benefit of questions and the doubts you have to ask your own self, because you are committing. It should possible for yourself first of all. When it is possible for myself, then only I can intend and it is easy for me to practice. So affirmation should be very simple, very ease, very simple, meaning very ease type of words you have to use in affirmation. That is the key factor of affirmation making. So affirmation making is that commitment, and commitment lead for your success. So you have to be prepared, well prepared for using the words, very, very easy words, very simple words. And if you are making the words on your past tense, there is no use of that, because you always not staying there. You passed out. No, you traveled from this to you travel this. So this direction you already traveled. So why you want to put past affirmation? What is the use of that? So you have to think the affirmation should in past or present or future. So you have to think that grammatical and what way you want it. So affirmation should be very simple way you have to put, and you have to recheck and verify yourself continuously. Will I practice? And this is for motivation. This is for success. This is for positive. This is for encouragement. So you are encouraging your own self. Once you started encouraging your own self, once you started motivating your own self, once you know the direction, once you know what you want and what you need, because there is a vast difference between wanting and needing. Need is for life, want is for something else, which is really for luxury things. So you need to understand whether you want it or you need it. So accordingly, you have to frame your affirmation. The moment you start framing your affirmation, you have to put a very positive sense and positive way. Make that word will be success, and it is like a mantra. When you chant mantra, repeat particularly for home mantra. When you are started hum chanting for 100 times, 101 times, 200 times, 1000 times, and lakhs of times, what happen? It vibrates. It vibrates your own body and where you are living, the entire place. And that fragrance will completely, spread across. So that vibration will make that clarity and the grounded feel. Okay. So it makes that feeling, that emotion into very, very positive way and very positive direction. Once that your feeling and emotion is very positive, what happened? You spread positive. So you have to practice that affirmation. Affirmations are very, very strong one. You have to manifest. If you really want a success, and you have to completely have an idea and plan and frame, and continuously you have to think about that process. So you have to put that affirmation into process because you are wanting for success. So you have, for success you need to plan it. Once you plan it, what happen? You put it in the process. Once you process it, you have to manipulate. The manifesting will make you to that success. So this is the very, the moment you look at affirmation, and you look at it as a motivation, and you may feel that what is that motivation, encouragement, support, positive, and vibration, so on and so forth. It's all gyan. It is not a gyan, neither it is not an impossible one. It is very simple, very easy, to practice, adopt in your life, make your communication positive, make your life positive, and make each and everything, all your needs make success. And sometimes want is also something you need it, right? That is also makes sense. To make your life success, you need to practice and you need to know how to make affirmation. So you can contact me to making affirmation and making life success. Devi, signing off, therapist, counselor, life coach, mentor. Bye bye. Contact me, inbox me. I'm always there to support you, help you. Bye bye.